In today's video, we're reviewing PlaytestCloud, a platform where you can earn money by testing video games. But how does it actually work and how much can you really make? I'm going to go ahead and break it down. So what is PlaytestCloud? It's a user testing platform that connects game developers with players. Developers want feedback on their games, and PlaytestCloud pays every people to try them out and share their thoughts. Now let's go ahead and talk about how it works. First, you sign up for the PlaytestCloud website and complete a short sample test. Once you're approved, you'll start getting invites to test games. When you accept the test, you'll play for a set amount of time, usually 15 to 60 minutes, while the app records your screen and voice as you talk through your experience. When it comes to earnings, PlaytestCloud typically pays around $9 for a 15-minute test, with longer tests paying more. Payments are sent via PayPal within a few days after completing the test. While it's not a full-time income, it can be a fun side hustle if you enjoy gaming. Now, of course, there are some trade-offs. So test invites aren't guaranteed. How many you get depends on your demographics and the needs of developers. That means earnings can be inconsistent. Also, because you're giving feedback, you need to talk out loud while playing, which may not feel natural to everyone. So who benefits most from PlaytestCloud? If you love video games and want a flexible, low-effort way to earn extra cash, it's a solid option. But if you're looking for steady or high-paying work, it seems it's better seen as a side gig, not a main job. So to wrap it up, PlaytestCloud lets you earn money for testing games and sharing your thoughts. It's easy to start, fun if you enjoy gaming, and a nice way to make some extra cash. But just don't expect it to replace a full-time paycheck or your 9 to 5.